so cool an email. I thought you would enjoy it. Ding dong, dear strongman. What would you look like as a Japanese cartoon? And what would it be about? James? Japanese cartoon, eh, James? I saw one of them once. Let's see what I can remember. Okay, so first of all, my head would have to be a little bean with real big eyes. Get rid of my thumbs, make me all shiny. My boots would be a whole lot cooler, like robot boots. And for some reason, I got blue hair. You gotta have blue hair. Then there's my mouth. Real tiny when it's closed, ridiculously huge when it's open. Then you basically just put me in space and make me fly around in cool poses. They probably have somebody else do their voices.
Hey, Stinko Man. Everybody says you're the guy, but I want to be the guy too.
No way. You're just a kid. Maybe when you're older. Pan Pan is fat. He fell on you. He's a good bear. Japanese cartoons are
Oh, excuse me. Japanese cartoons are weird, man. So I may be onto something with that blue hair. It's pretty nice. It looks pretty nice.
Challenge and fighting that challenge you know.
Toons! Yay! 2066! Characters!
You got it!
Downloads! Door! Email!
Double Who are you?
I'm the Homestar Runner.
That name is dumb. It sounds like it is so dumb.
Well, what's your moniker?
I go by Stinko Man. That's the name of talented fighter if ever there was one.
Okay, if you say so. Would you care for some dry meal?
No way. I'm training for fighting, or maybe a challenge. So what's that thing you're kicking around?
Oh, that's just an old can of water soup. I've kicked it around ever since my dog washed away in the storm of 28.
You seem like you might not be from around here. Do you have any special powers?
I can play a mean washboard.
What is that? What is that? Some kind of robot?
What's a robot?
You don't know what a robot is? Ha ha ha! You're so dumb! Ha ha ha! Dumb.
Oh, go soak your fat head.
Are you asking for a challenge?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I am.
Double
Doing.
Ah, my eye! It's like my eye! It hurts so bad!
Well, folks, you know what that means. Now I'll do a dance.
Ha That dance cracks me up. You gotta teach me.
Just kinda shimmy and shake.
Yeah, now I got it.
20XD6.
1936.
20XD6.
1936.
20XD6.
1936.
20XD6.
1936.
20XD6.
1936. Hello? I think I have the wrong number. Your voice sounds like this is the wrong number. But just in case, can I interest you in a challenge? Or maybe some light fighting? If so, call me on my cell phone! Check out my new cosplay! I'm a demon on wheels! I can't eat that kind of bar because I'm in training. Don't you have any of the other kinds of bars? You know, energy bars, or power bars, or training bars? Check out my new cosplay! I'm a demon on wheels! I love prawns. Simple as that. Check out my new cosplay! I'm a demon on wheels! That tickles! Hey, Stinko Man! What are you doing? Correct me if I'm wrong, but are you asking for a challenge? ... 20XD6! I 20XD6'd you good.
Did we miss a challenge?
Where you been, ladies? I had to take care of Stinko Man myself.
Well, so how was it?
It was okay. The fighting was decent, but it wasn't much of a challenge. Huh? Good question, Pan Pan. I don't know what he was digging for. Hey, this isn't dirt, it's pudding!
I want pudding.
We deserve a break. Eating pudding with a spoon! Oh, man! Those first 400 bites of dirt were not so good. Maybe the next one will be better. What is this? Some sort of a challenge buried in the ground? Looky here, a power crunch. It tastes like a #1 jam.
Hey, Stinko Man, look what I found buried in the time box.
Hey, my birthday was last week. I don't see anyone making any Stinko Man shaped pancakes. Huh? What is that? Ah! Throw! Cargador! Is this your crazy mixed-up way of asking me for some type of birthday challenge?
What is up, my enormous vector brother? So, what do you do for fun around here? Well, that's pretty cool.
Hey guys, how's challenges?
Oh, you two know each other?
Oh, totally sure. He's my training simulator. Check it out. Nice work, Big Nose.
Big Nose?
Your nose.
Uh-oh. There's a crazy world of emails in this crazy world. Checking them down, checking them down.
I hope it's from a girl.
Save the last email for strong back. Nothing little children's home. Save the last email for strong. Save the last email for strong man. Save the last email. All my strong man doppelgangers represent Sesquicentennial 2005. I mean 6. Next up, we got the Cheats trading card game, which is really more like a trading card activity, or trading card goings-on, because the word game implies fun and enjoyment, and you won't find none of that here.
Cheat ball poison rain tornado! So did I win? Does anyone know how this game works?
I'll trade you your cheat ball card for my Deathly Palo Lonely Local Attack card.
Homestar, those aren't even from the same lame game, or SLG. Your game is for musky nerds to play in the basement of the freshman dorms. This cutesy Japanesey game is for little kids to play during recess to make sure they don't get any real exercise.
Well, how are them kids going to order any butt pats if they don't hustle it out?
I don't think butt pats are part of the approved curriculum at elementary schools these days.
Well, that's just sad.
Or if you can't draw, never fear. Just steal some graphics from your favorite video game and add yet another unlicensed pixel comic to the overcrowded, overstunk landfill of webcomics.
Sometimes I wish I could challenge my own self.
I'm Stinko Man.
Wah!
And when your pixel comic's not funny, MS Paint your way to a non-punchline. As terrible as this is, I suppose webcomics are a better fate for video games than Saturday morning cartoons were.
Hey, Stinko Man, what do you think you're doing?
Go away. I'm doing something.
Yeah, but what is it you're doing?
Can't you see, my good man? I'm giving thanks.
Oh, because it looks like you're building a tractor.
Shows how much you know. Now watch me give thanks to these crops. Ah! Ah!
That's not how you give thanks.
Oh yeah, talking to me extraordinaire? If you're so smart, why don't you show me how to give thanks without the use of farm equipment?
Okay, Pan Pan? Watch me while I do work. Why, just today, I'm thankful for Pan Pan's epiglottis.
Oh, now I get it. Like this. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell.
No. That's not it.
I'm thankful for the cheat ball spinning profusely on my head. Oh, yeah. Now I really got it. Like this. That's not it either. Say what? People give thanks for things like favorite food, spiced bun, frozen bake, and all that. Mano. Who would have thought that giving thanks was such a formidable challenge? Hey, wait! That's it! Oh, making small rocks float up off the ground! I'm thankful that my hat is wearing a belt! Great job, Stinko Man! You got the green crystal shard! Will we ever find all the colors before the bad guy?
Be sure and tune in for tomorrow's exciting episode of Stinko Man and the Challenge of the Crystal Shard.
Buy, sell!
Or maybe don't.
For the next April Fool's thing, why doesn't it do like there's a picnic and there's a bunch of food in it and the picnic baskets, and then Bubs is like picnic, and then Homestar shows up and says blah, and then Strongbed shows up and says blah, and then everybody shows up and says blah, and then Bubs is like, I'm closing the shop, nobody's buying this picnic, and then there's a loading sign and it loads for like 100 seconds, and then it loads for 100 seconds, and then it's like, and then it's like, it loads for 100 seconds, and then it's like, and then people might think it's going to be loading forever, and then it's like Stinko Man comes up and punches Bubs in the face.